Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Acts 5 verse 23, please. We found the prison house locked quite securely and the guards standing at the door. But when we had opened up, they found no one inside. How come the guard did not woke up when the apostle passed by? Wala silang narinig. Posibleng ganung kalalim ng tulog nila. Posible rin that supernaturally may ginawa ang mga angels sa kanilang parinig at hindi nila narinig yung mga apostles habang lumalabas sila sa prison. Naalala ko may member si Pastor Mel at may ganito siyang kwento. She's a teacher in Torres High School. She was in class one day and she was sharing about Jesus. And while she was sharing about Jesus, the presence of God came down. And some first students began to have visions of cloud of glory, began to have vision of Jesus coming down. Her students were weeping, were wailing, and so she got scared. So ginawa niya, sinarado niya lahat ng bintana, sinarado niya yung pinto. But still, the noise was so loud. But to her surprise, when she asked around later, she realized no one outside her class heard any noise. Mga 30 minutes, umiiyak, sumisigaw mga estudyante niya. Yung klase nakatabi niya sa right, sa left, yung mga taong dumadaan sa corridors, wala silang narinig. Supernatural, soundproof. I've heard similar modern stories like that. Could this be the reason why the apostles were able to escape the guard without waking them up? We can only imagine as the Bible is silent. Are you having a Bible study in a townhouse where the neighbors may get angry? Are you preaching the gospel in a country that is illegal to preach the gospel in? This is one area we can believe God for. Good morning.